Ever wondered how trees stand strong through storms? Consider Isaiah 40:31. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. Just as trees are rooted deeply, find strength in God to rise above challenges. Psalm 1:3 says, "That person is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, and whose leaf does not wither. Whatever they do prospers." Let your faith be nourished by His word. Share this video, comment your favorite verse, and subscribe for more encouragement.